Hey guys, what's up? It's Monday. Grabe, hindi mo kaya yung atake. Oh, it's already Tuesday. Bobo. Yung English kasi hindi marunong. So it's already Tuesday, guys. For today's subject, we have Introduction to Psychology and Understanding the Self again, my favorite subject. We just finished ITP. Yeah, go. We just finished Introduction to Psych. Nag-lecture lang kami about developmental psychology. You know, the study of human development from womb to tomb. Pero overview lang kasi there's a specific subject for that sa ibang year. Hey, hi. Oh, tsaka. If you're wondering why I'm wearing shades right now, napuyat ko siyang gay. Tapos sobrang magang-maga yung mata ko. Hence, magsuot tayo ng ganito. An exciting news. Sumali ako sa... Hindi ko alam kung paano, saan ako kumuha ng lakas ng loob para sumali sa isang event. So, sasayaw tayo. You know, dancing is my first love. Back in high school, kasali ako sa isang dance troupe. Parang yun yung isa sa mga masasayang araw ng buhay ko. Or mga significant events ng buhay ko. Kaya, going back to college, gusto ko rin maranasan yung mga ganitong competition. So, mamaya, I'll gonna bring you guys. May practice kami later. Ngayon third week guys, sunod-sunod na yung quizzes, activities. So basically, how weeks are coming. It's...
Hi! Yes, I.
Hold on. Before we move on, let's go back a bit. Monday was very busy. My activities are purposive communication, my readings are reading in the Philippine history, my long test is stats. I mean, may must be busy pa ba sa araw na to? I'm currently here sa library to review. This is gonna be for our long test in psych stats, one of my majors. And my head is aching right now, to be honest. It feels like everything that I'm reviewing, hindi siya pumapasok sa isip ko. Kind of feels overwhelming. Oh my god, gamit na naman yung overwhelming. But yeah, I don't know. That's the only word that I can think of na mag-describe sa nararamdaman ko right now. At this point, actually, I'm kinda doubting myself, but I should not. I should think positive. I should look at my goals. Look at my motivations. Ayan, kasi legit, I kinda feel, hindi naman hopeless, pero I'm starting to doubt myself like, oh my god, help me. Third week pa lang to. This is just the third week. Meron pa kami 4, 5, 6. First term pa nga lang to ng first year ito eh. Anyway, kakayanin. Wala namang option. Kakayanin. Ang natutunan ko nung araw na yon was not to overthink a lot. Kasi ito pa rin ako, buhay. I'm still alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I know that maybe that time overwhelming talaga. You just need to breathe in, breathe out, and live. Oh my God, live. Okay, going back on Tuesday, after class, sumali ako sa practice. This is our first rehearsal. Quite disappointed sa time ng practice because I've waited a lot. Pero ang bilis lang talaga ng rehearsals, like less than 30 minutes. But I waited like 4, 5 hours, I guess. Disappointing, right? But anyway, I've enjoyed it. May mga bago akong naka-close. At nag-tour din kami around the campus ng gabi. Like, yung wala ng mga estudyante. Check this out. Dahil na kami sa dance rehearsals and... Ayan, may lightning. Ayan, gusto ko. Pakita ka muna. Ayan. Joe, as my lightning, we're gonna go upstairs. Wala nang klase, di ba? We're just gonna check for the schedule lang doon studio. Kasi ang weird ng room dito, parang aquarium. Parang Pegasus yung effect niya. Mamimili ka dyan ng trip mo. You also have this one. Panintal. Alam mo, ganito yung feeling ko nung high school. Nung nasa dance din talaga ako. Kind of feels like I'm in a hospital, honestly. Oh, lalo na to. Look. See? It's so hot. You know what? Ang init talaga dito, te. Sobrang bigat siguro ng kukunin niya para isama niya tayong lahat. Althea ka din. Ang dami yung Althea dito. Kung bibilangin natin ang population ng Althea sa NU, hey! Stats?
2008.
Aha.
Search siya sa Google, not sure. 2008 ata, madami talaga may pangalan na Althea. Then nung time na yun, kasagsagan niya ng mga pangalan Althea, Princess.
Hey guys, this is me editing the video. Ayun, wala akong clips ng Wednesday. To be honest, wala talaga akong maalalang ginawa ko ng Wednesday. Maybe because I'm so tired. Maybe because Monday and Tuesday are already tiring enough para hindi ako gumalaw ng Wednesday. As in, wala talaga akong maalalang ginawa ko ng Wednesday. So, I think Friday na nga tayo. Wala rin ganap ng Thursday. Ewan ko, I'm so exhausted this week. By the way, it's already Sunday. Hindi ko nga nagawang mag-edit. Ganong level. Kasi, sino ba namang baliwang sumali, may work na, sumali pa sa sayaw. Kasi ang dami pang quizzes and activities. Like, ayun, skip na lang tayo. Time skip. Ay, gago na nalaglag. Hello guys. Alright. Ang sarap ng tulog ko dito sa kotse, grabe. So, natapos yung long test namin kaninang very early, mga around. Wala pang 9 eh. I think it's almost 9. Bilis lang yun natapos, pero grabe kaming mga estudyante, mga klase ko, mga antok na antok kami kasi lalo na kaming mga sumayaw last night. Kasi natulog kami yung pagdating and then gumising lang kami ng alas 3. So, sobrang antok na antok kami. Inaayan nila ako sa library, however, I don't think kasi makakatulog ako na ng comfortable. How's the exam? Just sasabihin madali, pero compare naman sa psych stats. Hi ma'am, alam ko dumadaan to sa feed mo. Medyo mas madali naman yun siya. Ayaw na umayos ng bukot eh. Our last subject is ITP and after nito, uwi na. Okay ba tayo? Habang tumatagal, humihirap yung linggo. Dumarating ng mga quizzes, yung mga activities and everything. Tapos nasabay niya ng mga events kagaya nung paparating na kasayahan. At syempre yung mga ganap sa work. Later meron kaming meeting and left and right, dumadating yung mga ganap-ganap. Tapos may mga side quests pa ako, alam mo yung maglalaro ako ng computer, lalabas ako para kumain. Ano na lang sobrang busy ng buhay ng bading. I'd like to thank God for that, for the opportunity of becoming busy. Sabi nga din sa Ikigai, you need to find happiness in business. Especially sa mga nagtatrabaho dyan, you need to find happiness sa pagiging busy. I need to go, guys. I'm late, 10:54 na. Okay.
Vlog takeover tayo. So, ako yung isa sa mga prop daw ni Paeng. Nagkiquiz siya ngayon. Very busy. Puro sila reklamo. Lalo na yung side na to. Okay lang mag-erasure kasi hindi naman tayo perfecto. May mga times magkakamali tayo. And it's fine. It's normal. It's part of life. May mga times na marirealize mo, ay, mali pala ako. At least alam mo at na-realize mong mali ka. At walang mali doon. Go! Sorry, ako na. Paano patayin to? Patayin mo na to.
Guys, ano yun? Another week has ended, guys. Oh my God. We're done with our 3rd week, going to our 4th. And guys, our 4th week will be a little bit exciting kasi magkakaroon tayo na kasayahan. Is it kasayahan or kasiyahan? Malalaman natin yan on Wednesday next week.
Let's go.
So, it is a celebration for the Psych Society ng NU Baliwag. I will be performing. I will also represent my team represent first year sa Miss Q&A. Yun na, magagamit na natin ang kabadingan natin. So guys, you better watch out for week 4 because it's gonna be exciting. And with that, I will be ending this vlog. Once again, this is Paeng, your friendless psych classmate here, saying bye-bye to week 3 and see you week 4. Bye!